We're in Waukegan, Illinois at the Northern Illinois Airshow, where blue sky temperatures are in the mid-60s, with many people agreeing that there could not be a better day for an air show.
What a great day for an air show. We've been so fortunate to have this beautiful weather today. All generations out here. We have veterans, World War II veterans, all the way down to young children. And it's a great event to come out and touch the airplane, see the pilots, have conversations with them. It's a really great, tangible event for these folks out here. It's building community, and what a great day to be American and be part of history and bring memories to your children and your families for lifetimes to come.
Lots of nice crowd.
Are you excited?
We're absolutely excited. We love coming out here.
Can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming from sea to shining sea?
Thank you again, Mary, as we witness the missing man formation for that aviator who doesn't return to the base. Thank you for your respect.
Of course, Cuba, Ethiopia, Iraq, Libya, Nigeria, Romania, Syria, and Vietnam. As we watch turn it inbound right now, Paul Wood, Dan Sullivan,